Okay, for a similar kind of shot on this side. The ball is the safe hands of the wicket keeper Niazis, while as a complete stop over number 4. It is 24 for loss of 3 wickets and 148 more runs required from the remaining 66 balls. A huge burden, a huge task in front of club team producers. Dr. Ajaz to the big stage here. The wrestler matters. Man, Mr. Ajaz is here. Welcome you to this grand stage. And we have already here George's actor Malayalam film industry. Actors from the side of Malayalam film industry. Jai Sri Subhadas. We welcome you all our friends. Auspicious occasion of all Premier Season 5. So now the 1 over starting time. Proceeds to the grand finale ceremony. So we are just